Are you ready for a world where robots do the real heavy lifting? I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com and find out why hundreds of thousands of people get my newsletter for free. Meet Mech, the world's first industrial super robot that's ready to replace human workers. Mech is designed by Dexterity, a physical AI and robotics company based in California. With its massive 17.7-foot arm span and ability to lift 132 pounds, it is like having a tireless worker that never needs a break. Mech is powered by advanced AI and can handle delicate tasks with a human-like touch. From stacking oddly shaped boxes to gently handling fragile parcels and lifting the heavy ones too, Mech can do it all with precision. All right, so here's the million-dollar question. Are these super-humanoid robots becoming more advanced? Are we looking at a future where they're going to completely replace us humans? Or are they going to simply become our new co-workers, helping us achieve superhuman productivity? I think we know that answer, right? What do you think? Comments are below. More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com, where you could get my newsletter for free.